Hi, this is Adityan from Mockat. Today we'll look at colleges that accept CAT scores from 80 to 90 percentile. Most people who score between 80 to 90 percentile take CAT again, as the business schools and average pay for B schools with shortlist students at a higher percentile are considered much better. Also, if you are interested in taking CAT again, check out Mockat. We provide coaching for management entrance exams. The link for the website is in the description. But if this is your final attempt for CAT, you can consider the following B schools. These B schools offer an average starting salary of 8 to 24 lakhs per year. Most B schools also accept scores from other MBA entrance exams like XAT, GMAT, CMAT, NMAT, and GRE. Please note that some of these colleges are based on publicly available sources and not explicitly mentioned on their site, as many colleges don't declare their criteria for shortlisting or final selection. These are based on past year trends and can change this year, but you can definitely use this list to plan your college applications based on your CAT percentile. Starting with BITSOM Mumbai, the average package is 23.8 lakhs per annum and the CAT score required is 88 percentile. MICA requires 85 percentile, offers an average package of 20 lakhs per annum. IIM Visakhapatnam requires 82 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 16.6 lakhs per annum. IIM Amritsar requires 88 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 16.5 lakhs per annum. The next on the list is IMI Delhi, which requires 85 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 16.5 lakhs per annum. Please note that for IMI Delhi, these information are for PGDM HRM and B&FS programs. The next on the list is NIBM Pune, where the CAT percentile required is 80 percentile and the average package is 15.2 lakhs per annum. Goa Institute of Management requires 85 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 14.8 lakhs per annum. APME requires 85 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 14.6 lakhs per annum. Great Lakes Institute of Management, Chennai, has two programs, which is PGDM and PGPM, offers an average package of 14.5 lakhs for PGDM and 18.1 lakhs for PGPM, and requires CAT percentile of 85 percentile. Please note that for PGPM, it is mandatory for students to have at least 2 years of work experience. For Ford School of Business Management, the CAT percentile required is 85 percentile, and the average package they offer is 14.5 lakhs per annum. MIB Delhi School of Economics requires 85 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 14.5 lakhs per annum. The next on the list is STA Bocconi Asia Center, which requires 85 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 14.3 lakhs per annum. SIM SREE Mumbai requires 80 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 13.3 lakhs per annum. MDI Murshidabad requires 85 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 12.7 lakhs per annum. BIM Trichy requires 85 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 12.4 lakhs per annum. Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management requires 80 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 12.4 lakhs per annum. The next on the list is KJ Somaiya Institute of Management, which requires 85 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 12.3 lakhs per annum. Nirma University Ahmedabad requires 80 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 12.2 lakhs per annum. Wellinger Education V School requires 80 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 12.1 lakhs per annum. Irma Anand requires 85 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 12 lakhs per annum. XIM University requires 85 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 11.8 lakhs per annum. Please note that this is for MBA HRM program. UBS Chandigarh requires 80 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 11.8 lakhs per annum. The next on the list is IIT Dhanbad, which requires 80 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 11.6 lakhs per annum. NIT Warangal requires 80 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 11.3 lakhs per annum. Libad Chennai requires 80 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 11 lakhs per annum. IMT Nagpur requires 80 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 10.8 lakhs per annum. The last on the list is NIT Trichy, which requires 80 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 8 lakhs per annum. We'll be putting up more videos for colleges with various percentiles, VAT and personal interview, B-School deadlines, and much more content on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.